After the last video, I'm sunburnt as frick. Eric's still out here, and he's gonna get into some trouble. What you got plotted up for your Hawk V2 here, partner?
I think these tires, I think they should be no more. So I think we're just gonna do this.
Dude!
We're just gonna delete these real fast.
Your drift setup crazy, bruh.
Dude, look at this.
So like, I've tried to get shitty in this thing and it's great, but bro, these tires are gigantor. So I was like, dude, if you throw in some fronts on the rear, aired the shit out of them. It's basically like PVC.
This is sick.
Like, can I just show the difference here? Like, that's not even real.
Oh my God, let's go.
My favorite part of this stuff is like the experiments. This could totally unlock a completely different purpose for this car. Folks at home that don't understand your little robot setup here, you know, we're used to carburetors. Can you explain exactly how much power, like,
So
is getting put to these things?
This is a 20,000 kilowatt setup. Here's the controller.
Okay.
True Moto by Electro & Co.
Dude, shout out to Electro & Co.
Electro & Co.
This thing looks factory as frick.
Yep.
Absolute vibration.
So, yeah, this controller pushes a lot of power out. This is actually not the battery that comes on a kit, but I wanted more juice.
One of a kind experience. Like, I've driven shifter carts that have plenty of power, but there's something about this thing. It's so planted, and it's like, I feel like I'm describing driving a Tesla. Like, this is what I imagine it, just instant. Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
You might have some fun trying to air up that tire.
Why? It's got a hole in it?
The valve stem's on the other side. We should have taken this to the track. It actually looks so crazy side by side.
This is funny.
The Hawk Go-Kart. You guys got to check it out. Link always in the description. Eric has worked his ass off on this thing.
Should we give him a code?
Code?
Should we give him a code?
Wait a minute. I would love a code.
All right, let's do it. I'll give you a
Let's
code.
do a code. Call it out right now.
5% off.
5% off. That's a lot.
Just Jacob. We'll just do Jacob.
Code Jacob.
5% off. Anything.
Hey, you heard the man.
Everything.
You heard the man.
He's
He's got.
first code.
Let's go. Hey, what? I just got a sponsor live. Here's the deal. He sells parts. He sells anything for go-karts. So that's why his website's clutch. GoKartGod.com. This is what this shop was meant for. You know what I'm saying? There's just go-karts everywhere. Parts flying. We were cooking breakfast earlier. This guy whipped it up like a chef. Bro. Buddy skipped leg day. That's sick.
This one's already almost done. We're going to blow this one up real fast.
Jesus, dude. Tried this thing at the track yesterday. Scoots. Okay. About to drive this for the first time. Oh my gosh. About to drive this for the first time ever. Here we go. Huh? Oh my God, this thing f***ing rips! It's literally just... Oh my God, this thing rips. So much power. Dude, this thing's insane, brother. It's just, see ya. This thing is so sick, guys. Eric killed this. Oh, I got some in my eye. I mean, this is just America, baby. Like, I wasn't a fan of the EVs, but this thing rips, man. It's so linear. It's just, you press it, see ya. Oh! that he built this 2 days ago, guys. Wow. Unbelievable. Hate to say it, boys, but I approve of the e-car. I didn't want to like it, but I love it. Still got to fix that throttle, but then we're locked. This car is dialed. Just switched out the master cylinder for an MCP. A lot better now. The kit's pretty sick, brother.
Okay, hold on, let me check my settings.
Oh, what are you doing? You're just remotely tuning?
Remotely tuning you.
Regen. We're in the future, ladies and gents. Damn. Exactly how I thought it'd be. Sick as hell. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, bro.
Oh my god, we already lost it.
Dude.
We already blew it up.
Already blew it, so he has to go back to Thick Boys, but it's all right. I'm Thick Boyed out today too. Anytime I see this view, something crazy is about to happen. Just 2 carts, Eric putting on new wheels. It's like, oh, and Poppy's here for all of it. Oh yeah. Hey, these cars are actually gonna get pissed at us. They're like, dude, you're taking 2 spots for go-karts? For an electric go-kart at that. Come on, bro, that's a legendary pick. Fill it up, gang. Fill it up, gang. We've been to Mexico 3 or 4 times today already. We have a little wheel problem, huh?
We have, yeah. Houston, we had a problem.
Yeah, it's like his wheels started vibrating and then
I think these are, dude, every time I ride with these wheels, the cart, it just starts, and it's scary. It's a weird sound. It's not a good sound.
Yeah, so you're way more locked in. Back to the streets. Hit it. Oh, he fakey 180. It's definitely lower in power than it was, but it's still ripping. This is crazy, bro. It looks like it's in reverse. Yo. The Honda boys are pissed. I mean, dude, you've been beating the crap out of this thing, and it's doing great.
I know, I love it.
That's so sick, bro. That's how it came out.
The fact I can link forwards and backwards. When has that ever been done?
Bro, that's insane. Bro, that was terrifying. Oh, this thing's crazy, bro. What? Oh my God. Bro. Thank you. Wait, what were you? Oh my gosh.
I bet you could link this side and that side. You can widen out.
Should I try?
You should try it. Here, let me get started.
Oh, thanks, big guy. Did I do it?
Did it. Woo!
Let's go. This thing is so sick.
So much fun. It's different because it's not drift sleeves. It's fast.
You're dude. It's
Fucking terrifying.
It's full control is what it is. What's smoking? The tires.
You are, dude.
Am I?
Oh, dude, feel these tires, dude.
Oh my gosh. Dude, they're hot as hell.
The dirt.
Oh God, he wants me to go in the dirt. Okay, I just have to remember I have more clearance on my car.
What do you want me to do?
Oh my God. That was so sick. Oh my God, dude. That's so fun. It's literally like you're in an RC car.
I know, right? It literally is.
The sound is so sick. Oh my goodness, dude. Back from Mexico.
Wild. I almost killed Jacob.
A couple
I
times.
almost ran him over. I hit it in reverse and almost
Terry?
just blew your ankles out.
Back in one piece. Nothing fell off. We're alive. Obviously shreds, guys. I'm proud of this guy. He has put his heart and soul in this design, and it just withstood a crazy amount of beating. It's got my stamp of approval. This thing is freaking sick. One more time at the GoKartGod.com website. Code Jacob.
Jacob, 5%.
Save 5%. Let's go.